welcome back. It's been a minute again, like I say every time, but got a new trailer and a new truck. So my last video I showed you guys that I was putting airlift airbags on our Grand Cherokee, and obviously you don't just do that for no reason. And we picked up a little 24-footer, little bunkhouse, and have been kind of, fixing her up, putting a few things together here and there. A little bit of it was already done. You can see there's a few little things I still need to fix and tidy up, but it's all kind of updated, a little more modern than what they made in 1999. So all the walls were done, up there, and the curtains and everything, and most of it was already painted, but I kind of went through and just really finished it up. This closet area, whatever you want to call it, I'm not sure what it ever was. It was just empty when we got it and not painted, so I kind of painted it up, put some shelves in here just for some storage. A few things in the bathroom weren't finished. Ended up finishing those up. There's a few little pieces. This one here wasn't there when we first got it, and a few little cubbies weren't painted or anything like that. There's still a few things I need to do, but there was also no cushions here, so we custom ordered some cushions, and we got plenty of room now, plenty of comfort. The table drops down and you can turn that into the bed there, the larger bed in the front. This also pulls out with the handles, and those cushions lay flat there too. I went through and added some USB ports. I got them here, and then there's one up there, one up here above the couch area, and then there's one back there in the bunk area. Another thing I did, I took out the factory radio that was in this thing. I got this little cheap Bluetooth stereo off Amazon. It also came with 2 of the speakers, so there was speakers already in here. You got the 2 near the back and then the 2 up front, so I swapped those 2 out. It's nothing special, but you can sit here and connect to Bluetooth. I have the radio kind of wired on a little switch there, just so it's not on all the time. Along with that, I did a 2000 watt inverter. I have it in here. We can just turn it on here, and that makes the plugs around the trailer work without being plugged into shore power. So with that, got to do solar. We added solar to it. I got 2 100 watt panels on the roof. Which keeps us all charged up all the time. I don't need to carry a generator or anything like that. I can run the heater all night. It'll run all night and keep it warm in here. So we actually just did a pretty big trip the other day. We went clear down to southern Utah towing it in the new truck. So we got a new truck too. The Grand Cherokee pulled it. It did okay, but man, you just got to keep upgrading, it seems like. When the kids are getting bigger, they love the bunkhouse back there, but with more comforts and more room, it seemed like we just needed something a little more reliable, more powerful to tow the trailer. So we picked up the truck too, and now, I mean, compared to a few of the last videos I made, we've upgraded quite a bit. It's a whole new world, a whole new setup, whole new rig, tons of, you know, comforts here and there. The trailer's not too big to where it's hard to get into certain camping spots or anything like that. So plenty of storage for what we need. These will lift up, and you can also access them from the outside on both sides. So the kids can have all their toys and stuff in there and keep it all pretty organized for everyone. Thanks for checking it out. I'll slide through some pics and you guys can check it out. See you around.